Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Is any one of you incapable of reciting a one-third of the Quran in a night?" Sahaba radiyallahu anhuma asked, "How could one recite a one-third of the Quran in a night?" Upon this, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Qul huwallahu ahad," means Surah Ikhlas is equivalent to a one-third of the Quran. Sahih Muslim. Once Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out to the Sahaba and said, "I am going to recite before you one-third of the Quran." And then he recited, "Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad," to the end of the Surah Ikhlas. Sahih Muslim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. Say, He is Allah, the one and only, Allah, the eternal. He begets not, nor was he begotten, and there is none like unto him. Surah Al-Ikhlas.